This is the folding utility knife from Ross. Perfect for everyday use when cutting strapping, boxes, vinyl, cable, and many other materials. It's light, compact, and with the clip, fits neatly in your pocket so you always have a razor-sharp blade on hand. The folding design is functional, sleek, and makes carrying a utility knife that much safer. It's made from aluminium and stainless steel and features a thumb stud for easy opening and a lock bar for added safety. Blade changes are made simple with a spring-loaded release catch that securely locks the carbon steel blades into position. It also comes with a neat carry pouch and 5 extra blades in a reusable dispenser. This is a great tool for everyday use and just one of the utility knives available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.